So the 45-degree hip extension straight back. First consideration is the level of this pad. We want it just below the hip line. Now, what Lee's going to be thinking about when he's performing this is keeping that back nice and straight. All of the movement comes in the hips. He's going to tuck his chin in at all times. As he comes nice and slowly down, he's coming down, his back is still straight. That's about where his active range is. And if he goes any further, his back starts to be bent. He's going to drive the hips into that pad and squeeze those glutes, coming up to about here. He's going to perform it again, nice and slowly. The back is nice and straight, gets to his range, drive the hips into the pad and nice and squeeze in the glutes. Now you'll notice he doesn't need to extend too much. This is going to be way past his active range. You do not need to bend up like a banana. So you want to keep a nice straight line from the top of the spine to the bottom of your heels. One more time, Lee. Nice and slowly, keeping the back nice and straight. Drive the hips in, squeeze the glutes, and that's the range he wants to be in. And that's the 45-degree hip extension straight back.